I want to explain how to drink water and how much. So water, what kind of water's quality? So usually we need best is 8 qualities water is really good, but always we are difficult to find 8 qualities water, from Himalaya running water is 8 qualities water actually. So but you know how to make 8 qualities water. So you can drink pure water every morning, but if best is you can drink boiled water, I mean cooking water. So we know everyone living in town, really difficult to get pure water, but you should know technique how to make pure water and 8 qualities water. So usually what our tantra they mention, for example 3 liters you can put in the pot, steel pot, and cook, and minus 1 liter, so become 3 liters become 2 liter. So I mean 1/3 minus, okay, and this is how we call pure water. But everyone too busy, maybe difficult to measurement. So therefore you can 10 to 15 minutes you should boil, you should cook your water. So this is after that you can get 8 quality, and this good for your throat, this good for your stomach, that water good for your liver and cold and cough. So many benefit you can get. So that is really important if you can this water. So if you can get drink that water, you're difficult to get flu, cold and cough, any throat problem. This is really important. Okay, so this is how to cook, how to preparation 8 qualities water. So now I'm explained before balance. So balance means each time you need to keep balance. That means if too much, not left side, not right side, middle part you need to make balance. And that water you can get benefit for our reduce the weight loss, fat parts also is really good that water. And also sometimes if your wind is too high or too low, unbalanced, you can add little bit pure honey on that. It's really good. So again I can explain, more easier. I know because of that I have experience. So if you are going to office, you don't have much time to cook and then become getting warm or getting cold, and too hot is difficult to drink. Not necessary, I mean boiled water means not necessary you need too hot. When you are coming back from your office, you can just, for one person, you can put 2 liters on the pot, steel pot, and you can boil, and you can leave 10 to 15 minutes. Every evening you can preparation, and then tomorrow morning you are ready to drink, or midnight or morning, and leftover you can pour into your water bottle and you can carry, and you need to take in your office and you can drink. So this is how to easier to I can just explain. Okay, empty stomach you can drink water, and how long your medicine and food, at least half an hour you can keep. Okay, this is a really good. After that you didn't get any flu, cold and cough, allergic. This is a prevention from that water. For example, in Himalaya, they are great practitioners how they can get water, I mean medicine, So they are always drinking boiled water, so they don't have any medicine. So this is the best medicine even explained in our Kyushu, in the fourth tantra, they're very detailed. And also my own experience, you can drink boiled water, you never get like a skin problem or flu, cold and cough and allergy. Okay, so now you are eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, how? And I can say morning breakfast early in the morning is not too much salad, not too much raw vegetable. You can, but less. And afternoon you can take salad, fruits, whatever. Afternoon you can take because of the our inner heat, fire is increasing, so that time you can easily to digest. And evening little bit less, not too heavy food, I mean light. Light means easily to digest, like a porridge, like a noodles, soup, whatever. So this is how to eat, how to drink. And I don't want to go totally like a what you call more detailed. Again, you can get confused and more complicated. So whatever I'm saying, always make balance. Whatever you can eat, you can, but balance. For example, how to make balance? Someone only meat 3 times a day, we can't digest. Sometimes you can eat always salad. Morning salad and fruits, afternoon salad and fruits, evening salad and fruits. And people say, oh, I'm healthy food, I'm eating only salad and things. But uncooked, difficult to digest. Sometimes you can eat salad, sometimes you can steam cook, sometimes like a boil. Yeah, that means balance. If you can make balance, it's easily to can digest, and you are in dosha and humors, it's not big problem. Okay, so this is how to eat. So in the evening is little bit less food. Okay, less food because of the we can't digest. If you can eat evening full of food in your full stomach, and really difficult to digest. And then after the increasing your flame begin, and then you can get our stomach is getting weak, and then kidney become weak, then our immune system become weak, then easily to catch any kind of disease. So therefore you can less food in the evening. So I can give you, for example, our stomach is for like a small bottle, and you can divide it by 4. And so 2 parts, this is our stomach measurement. Okay, and this 2 parts you can eat food, 1 part water, 1 part you can keep space for air because of the easily to digest. Okay, so therefore always you can keep not from here. Okay, not for full. So that's why you can divide it by 4, 2 parts by food, 1 part for water, 1 part empty. So this is a right way to eat. And so then you can, after that, then you can make balance, means how to eat like that. This is a diet is really important. And so what kind of, everybody asking, okay, what I should eat, what I shouldn't, what kind of avoid food. So doesn't matter whatever you can eat, but I mean make balance. For example, these days most of the difficult to get organic, pure food or vegetables or whatever. So this way, always looking after our stomach carefully, really important. So this way I can say every morning boil water or little bit ginger, honey. It's really important because of the ginger can make our three heats develop. If our three heats is developed, and then you can easily to digest. And our stomach is always good, healthy condition, and other vesicle is really automatically you can get healthy. So if our stomach is weak, then your immune systems become weak, and then many difficult to digest, and you can get easily to any disease. Okay, so this way, how to eat, how to drink, how to make balance your stomach. This is a main important. Okay, thank you.